Hello guys, welcome back in this tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how you can make $1,000 per day with these faucetpay trick. And I have this much Bitcoin in my wallet address. This is very good. You can make it and go to these and come down. First go to the automatically change 630 and 1000. Come here, change the beat 230 or 250. You can use it that much, or you can use 140 or 150. You can use it, but 160 is better than other ones. And you can see I didn't have any withdrawal right now, and if you use 140 that's great, but you use 160 is great too. Just click start beating. Okay guys, now you can see I beat a little bit just for 1 or 2 minutes, and you can see I get this much regret, and that's too much. That's too high. A lot of people didn't make this much regret. Okay, you can use this trick every 10 minutes. Okay, you just use this trick 10 minutes. After 10 minutes stop it, just reload it, and after 10 minutes start again, because the Bitcoin is a very high amount if you lose it. And just type it in here 230 again, and just I click beating again. Okay, after every 10 minutes just wait for another 10 minutes, then you can start again. That's great. You can use it, and with this trick every day you can make $1,000. I share with you one day I reach in that $1,000 100%, and that's the best day on my life that I get with from this trick from faucetpay. Okay, that's a extra money making way you can make it. And just leave this one for the 10 minutes. After 10 minutes come back and reload again and start again. With this trick you can make $1,000. Okay, a lot of people starting the contest in here, but they didn't use Bitcoin, they use Binance. You use Bitcoin, this is very fast way to you can grow your account. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos. In the next video I will show you how I earn $1,000 with this trick. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye for now.